on the right here is one of the bolts that I took out of the gearbox that hold, like this one, that hold the two halves of the gearbox together. Rear gearbox cover, front gearbox cover, and clutch housing. Now, two of the bolts were actually missing when I took the gearbox off, so I just bought a handful, 10 of these bolts, which were the same length as the bolts I took out, and I left them with Ural so that they could bolt the gearbox halves together. But this one here, in line with the breather, which I've mentioned in another clip on this video, is actually supposedly shorter. So this bolt was sticking out by yay much, and I had a look through the bolts that I took off the gearbox initially, and there you go, look at that. There's a few millimeters difference just on that one bolt. None of the others, just that one bolt. So I've replaced, or am replacing, the blackjack bolt with a silver, for want of a better word, bolt that's slightly shorter. I've also added spring washers. The ones I took off the gearbox when I was taking it apart were plain washers, so I'm trying the spring washers, and I'll be taking a careful look at the gearbox on a regular basis to see if any of them fall out. Very peculiar sort of thing to happen, I thought. And of course, each one of the bolts will be getting some thread lock stuff put on them